Formation of compounds. Compounds are formed when the atoms of two or more elements are combined in a fixed ratio. For an example, the atom of sodium and chlorine are combined to form a compound sodium chloride. Both the atoms sodium and chlorine have some bonding between them, and this bonding is called chemical bonding. This chemical bonding occurs due to the transfer of electrons. And why these atoms transferring their electrons? These atoms transfer their electrons to attain the stability. To understand this, we take an example, the same example. Atomic number of sodium is 11, so its electronic configuration is 281. And the atomic number of chlorine is 17. So its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. You can see here the outermost shell of sodium has 1 electrons and the chlorine has 7 electrons. In this case, sodium transfer 1 electrons from their outermost shell to the chlorine atom. So now in the sodium atom, its outermost shell has now 8 electrons and chlorine atom also have 8 electrons. So in this way, by transferring the electrons, they form a compound sodium chloride. Now come to the next example. If we take an example of oxygen atom 2, the atomic number of oxygen atom is 8. So its electronic configuration is 2 and 6. In the first cell it has 2 electrons, in another cell it has 6 electrons. Another oxygen atom also have a same electronic configuration. So it also has a 6 electrons in their outermost cells. So to complete their outermost cells, both the atoms require 2 electrons to complete it octet rule or to become a stable. In this case, both the atoms share their electrons to each other to become a stable. The oxygen atom share 2 electrons to the another oxygen atom, and the another oxygen atom share 2 electrons to the first oxygen atom. So in this way they form oxygen molecules by sharing of electrons. So in this way compounds are formed by the transferring of electrons, and that transfer of electron is called electrovalency, and by sharing of electrons, and it is called covalency. And both the sharing or transferring, the atoms are combined their electrons to attain the stabilities.